Have you ever stared at your green peppers, waiting and waiting and waiting for them to turn red, yellow, or orange, and yet nothing? Don't panic. Your peppers aren't broken. They're just being a little lazy. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly why your peppers aren't ripening and how to speed up the process. Here's what we're covering. 1. How long peppers actually take to ripen. Some are just slow. 2. The sunlight, secret. Too much, too little. 3. Feeding your peppers the right way. Too much nitrogen is bad news. 4. The trick to speed things up. A little tough love never hurts. 5. The paper bag hack. Your peppers will thank you. Let's dive in and turn those green peppers into colorful, delicious veggies. Chapter 1. Are your peppers actually slow? Why won't you ripen? Hold up. Before you start threatening your plants, let's talk about patience. How long do peppers actually take to ripen? Once a pepper reaches its full size, it can take 2-3 weeks or more to change color. Some varieties, like bell peppers, take up to a month to fully ripen. Others, like hot peppers, jalapenos, serranos, can start ripening in as little as 10-14 days. Some peppers, like green bell peppers, will never change color. They're bred to stay green. Fix. Check the seed packet or plant tag to see if your variety is supposed to ripen to a different color. If your peppers are within the normal time frame, just give them a little more time.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone?
Don't freak out if your peppers aren't changing color overnight. They're not broken, just a little slow. Chapter 2. Sunlight. Your pepper's best friend, or worst enemy. Just a little more sunshine. Peppers are sun lovers, but too much of a good thing can slow down ripening. Too much heat? If temperatures go above 85 degrees Celsius, 29 degrees Celsius, peppers can stall ripening because they're too stressed. Instead of focusing on color, the plant puts its energy into surviving the heat. This is especially common in areas with long, hot summers. Too little sun, peppers need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. 8+ hours is even better. If your peppers are in the shade most of the day, they may never ripen fully. Fix. If it's too hot, give your plants some afternoon shade. A simple shade cloth works great. If they're not getting enough sun, move them to a brighter spot or trim nearby plants blocking their light. Don't assume more sun is always better. Too much heat can stress your plant out. Chapter 3. Are you overfeeding your peppers? Look at these leaves. Who needs peppers? If your plant has big, healthy leaves but no ripe fruit, you might be overfeeding it. Too much nitrogen. No ripening. Nitrogen, the first number in fertilizers like 10-5-5, helps plants grow big and leafy. But too much nitrogen means the plant will focus on leaves instead of fruit. Fix. Switch to a low nitrogen, high potassium fertilizer, something like 5-10-10 or 3-5-7. Use organic options like bone meal or banana peel fertilizer for extra potassium. Stop fertilizing once your peppers start forming. This signals them to ripen instead of growing more leaves. Don't keep dumping fertilizer on your plant and expecting ripe peppers. Too much food. Lazy plants. Chapter 4. The harvest some, ripen more trick. If you won't ripen, I'll take your friends instead. Believe it or not, picking some green peppers forces the plant to ripen the others faster. Why does this work? Peppers produce a hormone that slows down ripening when the plant is overloaded. If you remove some green ones, the plant panics and rushes to ripen the remaining ones. Fix. Pick a few green peppers every few days to encourage the plant to speed up the ripening process. Bonus. Green peppers are totally edible. Use them in stir-fries, salads, or even pickle them. Don't leave too many peppers on the plant at once. This slows down the ripening process. Chapter 5. The paper bag. Hack, a secret trick. Hey man, got any ripening tips if you've already picked your green peppers and want them to ripen faster? Try the paper bag trick. How does this work? Bananas and apples release ethylene gas, which forces peppers to ripen faster. The bag traps the gas, creating a mini ripening chamber. Fix. Place your green peppers in a brown paper bag with a ripe banana or apple. Close the bag and leave it in a warm spot for a few days. Check daily. Once the peppers change color, they're ready to eat. Don't use a plastic bag. This traps moisture and can make your peppers rot instead of ripen. Conclusion: get ready for ripe peppers. Now you know exactly why your peppers aren't ripening and how to fix it. Be patient. Some peppers take longer. Give them the right amount of sun. Stop overfeeding them nitrogen. Use the harvest some, ripen more trick. Try the paper bag banana hack. Want more epic gardening tips? Subscribe now because you can grow it. Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3m2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.strongecho.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.